Hi, this parcel just arrived and I thought it would come yesterday, but I'm not sure about the address really. It doesn't look correct to me, but this is eBay ring, and I do wish these bloody foreigners would shut up. They were talking last night to 3 in the morning and really it's just not on. I guess it's okay for them to talk till 3 o'clock at night because they're sponging off the state. So let's get this open, and I mean it's really good. Like it's totally bulletproof packaging. So it's something I won on eBay, and let's get this open. Where's that knife? I had a knife just now. Damn. I hope I'm not sitting on it. Where's the bloody knife? I had a knife and now I can't find it. Oh, there it is. So let's get this opened. I don't really even have to talk. I mean, you can just hear my neighbours because they're so bloody loud. So this is a vintage item anyhow, and they were talking until 3 o'clock at night last night, so it's just not very good at all. So this is a vintage item, loose graded. I mean, say 5-10 years ago, you could have got this boxed, but I never got round to getting one. It's not a figure; it's a accessory, sort of vintage Star Wars. This is well packed. Oh my gosh, yeah, very well packed. Oh gosh. This is really tightly packed. Oh gosh, it doesn't want to come out. Give it a good one item, and it's taking me all this time to. This doesn't want to come out. Oh. Oh. So well packed. Oh Lord. He packed it so well. I'm gonna have to rip the box. It was a good price. I mean, I phoned Action Figure Grader and told him I was thinking about getting this, and he said it's a great deal. I mean, he's got something similar, but it's 2 items graded in one box or one case, where this is just the accessory really, rather than the figure. There we go. What's a kerfuffle? Let's put the... Let's get this open. So this is from Return of the Jedi. Oh my gosh. Very well packed. I'm going to get all excited. Let's see what it is. There we go. It's the Ewok Combat Glider. Loose graded. Very nice. It's graded 85 UKG. Very nicely packed. So I'm glad I picked that up. I mean, if you get this box now, the box is pretty tatty, and you're talking about more or less the same price for this. So it's quite a big item, really. Equivalent of like the speeder bike. This is the sort of hot rod for Ewoks. So let's have a good look at it. Anyway, that's what I got. It's UKG 85. Looks amazing. Took a long time to unbox. So anyway, cheers, goodbye.